guys, welcome to the channel and the new rebranding of what my channel is. I wanted to go this route and do a little more home decor, mom videos, because that's what I am now. And since we bought our house, I haven't been able to really decorate it, and I thought, why not share this journey with you and kind of go more route of just pretty much what I actually do in my everyday life. And I got little mamas here with me because if you're a mom, she is 5 months old right now and she will not leave my side. So for the moment, I have her right now. And if any of my other moms out there know, just your little kids, when they're attached to you, they're attached to you, huh? So right now we're in my dining room, and I wanted to really redo the decor and do a different type of style since we moved in, and finally I'm able to do it. So I thought I'd bring you on this journey. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe for home decor, motherhood, and lifestyle videos. So let's get started. We have a huge entryway leading into our dining room area, and I don't know if you guys are like us, but our dining room has become a storage these days, especially during quarantine. So I definitely need to get all this together and get it out of here. We have vaulted ceilings in our kitchen, and we also have a pellet stove. And to the right, we have this nook area, but I'm really not too sure what to put there. Right now, I'm just going to clean up everything that's on the table. And my son has not one, not two, not three, but he also has plenty more of those cars. So any moms out there can relate. They are all over my living room. So right now, I'm just going to continue wiping down the table, and I think I'm going to move it because I'm really getting tired of where it's at right now. We are eventually going to change out the floors because we are particularly not fond of this pattern, but we're going to wait until we're a little more decisive on what we want. And of course, gotta display son's first painting. And I Dream of Jeannie. Ready and go. I wish it was that easy, but I had to get the hubby to get in and of course hang the mirror, and he did a great job. Next, I'm gonna do the mantle and get rid of some decor and add new ones. I hate this mirror. I just want to chuck it. Just kidding. I'd love to redecorate this mantle to a more modern looking piece, but we do plan on eventually moving, so we're probably just gonna save all the big alterations for the next house. Putting up this picture frame, making sure that it's leveled. Oh yeah. Next, I'm adding these mason jars to bring the look together, and some candlestick holders. And we're gonna move this wine thing and put it on the corner so we could store our alcohol. This is the final look. I do plan to add some more decor later, but I'm really a fan of simplistic, minimalistic decor, and I think this came out way nicer than I had it before, and I only added a few things, and the majority of the decor I got from Ross at a really good price. Alright guys, well that was my redecorating of my dining room. Thanks for watching, and if you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing for more motherhood, lifestyle, and definitely more home decor videos coming soon.